Presenting the Indentation Hardness Tester, a precision-engineered instrument designed to measure the hardness and load-bearing behavior of PU foam and mattress. In industries where comfort, resilience, and durability matter most, such as foam, mattresses, automotive seating, and cushioning materials, indentation hardness is a critical performance parameter. This tester accurately determines how material responds when a defined force is applied. Providing valuable insight into its firmness, support, and long-term performance. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how this tester can enhance your material testing capabilities and help you meet global quality benchmarks with confidence.